Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? What's up? The ceiling. That's what's up. The year is 1934. We're in New Jersey. Don't worry, you're still watching a makeup video. I'm going somewhere with this. So 1934, New Jersey. Something significant happened here. Have you heard of the name Henry Rushman? Yeah, me neither. And let me tell you, shame on us. He's our hero and we don't even know his name. In my book, that's embarrassing. Woohoo! Henry Rushman is the man who accidentally invented glitter. You know that sparkly stuff that makes us all happy? Yeah, he's our guy. Imagine a world without glitter. Ooh. I mean, I don't know if this is a photo of him. It's impossible to find photos of people that lived like 100 years ago. They didn't have Instagram back then, okay? Thank you, sir, for sprinkling our life with happiness. The little we have left. My ear is feeling a little down today. Whenever I don't have anything interesting to say, I always start talking about the weather. It's nice and hot outside, it's finally summer, and let me tell you a little secret. I don't like wearing foundation in the summer. What am I even doing? This reminds me of something. Pa-ra-pa-pa-pa. I'm loving it. And it has nothing to do with the foundation. I love foundation, but my sweat doesn't. It's the weather that ruins everything. I especially like humidity combined with hot weather. It's like a cocktail from hell. The first 3 minutes after I've just applied it, that's the only time my foundation looks good in the summer. Shortly after that, my sweat is like, bonjour! I was summoned to ruin this lovely makeup you just spent 1.5 hours applying. And there is nothing you can do about it. I don't know, I just don't like it when my face feels like a slice of cheese in a microwave. That's all. Maybe you're wondering, Danny, where did you bang your head? Ah, this? You would have never guessed. That was a pimple. I guess I was a little too rough with it. It was huge. It was almost the size of my head, okay? I couldn't just let it live on my face rent-free. No, you either pay or I squeeze you to death. Please don't be scared of me. I only say this for my future blemishes to hear. Now that they know that, I'll either get rich or I'll never break out again. I've simplified my eyebrow routine so much lately, and the reason for that is that I'm lazy. Don't ask me what products I'm using. The secret ingredient is laziness. The only product I'm actually using is this hair gel. It's like glue, so it really helps me to shape my eyebrows however I want, and this is the result. I mean, I don't need to do anything else. There you go, now you know the secret to these awesome eyebrows. Now here is where it gets interesting. The reason I was telling you all that stuff about glitter at the beginning of this video was because I'm gonna try to recreate this look over here on my potato face. Oh, the shimmer on the eyes, the eyeliner, the complexion, the lips, everything looks absolutely stunning. I randomly saw it on Instagram and I was like, did I just hear this look call my name? I almost said call my face. But there is something that makes me extremely nervous about it. It's the graphic eyeliner in the inner corner of the eyes. I've never done something like this, and at this point there is no going back. So why hold back? Alright, my friends. Ow! Okay, so first thing is first, we need to lay the base. And the base today involves shimmers and sparkly stuff. So you can see on her eyelid that she has something like a metallic silver eyeshadow. I don't really know what it is. I'm gonna try to apply something on my eyes that kind of looks like that. Okay, in terms of color, this looks very similar. The only glitter that I have that kind of looks similar to the one that she's wearing is this one over here. It used to be glitter mixed with some kind of liquid so that it sticks very easily to the eyes. But mine is now dry and crusty and he's probably expired like 2 years ago. But I'm gonna show you a trick how you can get everything out of packagings that look like this. Take some old scissors. These are not scissors, tweezers. And if you look closely, you can see that there is this plastic thing right here at the top. So you wanna grab it with your tweezers. Come on, little friend. See, it's starting to lift up. Yes, this is exactly what you want to happen. It's this plastic thing that you want to remove. See, it used to be right here. So now look at all that glitter that I can take out. Ooh, I couldn't do this when this thing was in there. I think I saw this hack on TikTok or something. Okay, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply some glitter glue on my eyelids, all over them. Also, all the way up to my crease. And then I'm gonna take some of my glitter and start pressing it on top of the glitter glue. And just a little tip here, I know that there is no such a thing as too much glitter, but sometimes if you apply way too much glitter on your eyelids, it may start to feel a little uncomfortable when you blink. So you wanna avoid that. You wanna add as much as possible, but not to the point that it's annoying when you blink. Now the wing of her eyeliner is mostly in the outer half of the eye, so I'm gonna try to do that and try to keep the eyeliner as thin as possible. Alrighty guys, it's time to put on my ears, which I had on for the whole time, and face my biggest fear, which is that inner corner graphic eyeliner. Graphic eyeliner is challenging on its own, but when it's in the inner corner, that makes it even more challenging because the inner corner is one of the most curvy part of the eye. You know, it has a lot of... I forgot English. It has a lot of creases, that's what I'm trying to say. So let's go ahead and try it out. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going here without any plan. I haven't even tried practicing this before filming this video. Usually I like my inner corner clean and bright and without too much things going on there. So you can see how this is very out of my comfort zone. This makes my eyes look so weird, so different. I told you, inner corner stuff, maybe I don't know how to do them, but they don't really work for my eyes. But yeah, I don't know, this kind of makes my eyes look more fierce. It's like lasers are about to come out of them. Kind of makes me look scary. I'm gonna go ahead and try to maybe fix it a little, try to adjust it to my eye shape, and hopefully it will look a little better. And honestly guys, some concealer under the eyes will definitely help brighten this whole look and make everything look a little better. Alrighty guys, what do you think? Oh my god, I shouldn't be laughing. I'm baking right now. I can't be fun when I'm baking. I have to be serious. Because if I smile, I get very wrinkly under my eyes. I felt like one of those. Now I really want to bake something like this. Baking in makeup sounds so much more fun than it actually is. Baking is way more fun. Anyways, one of the things that I'm most excited about are the false lashes, and I really hope they will make everything look a little better on me. False lashes always do. I just want to say that this is a look that is very out of my comfort zone, and now that I made that clear, I think that we can move on. I like how it looks on her, but I don't like how it looks on me. This video is all about me trying out eyeliner. This video is all about me trying out stuff that I don't eyeliner. My hand is very distracting. You can stay over there, please. Thank you. There's more eyeliner on my hand than on my eyes. My hand look like this, so my eyes can look like this. I forgot what I was saying. This video is all about me trying out stuff that I don't usually do. And I think that experimenting and trying out stuff that are usually out of your comfort zone is very important because you never know what you may end up liking. One more thing that I don't usually do is applying mascara on my lower lashes. But you can see that there is clearly mascara on her lower lashes. And not only they coated the lashes with mascara, but it looks like they also kind of pinched them together. Okay, I think that's a little too much. How I always manage to overdo everything, I don't understand. Wig. I never overdo it with the good stuff though. Like for example, eating healthy. I never overdo that. So we're just gonna pinch them together. Just kinda looks nice. I don't know you guys, the more I look at it, the more I kind of like how it's turning out. Moving on to the face. Now you can see that the complexion looks absolutely flawless. Full coverage foundation, everything is smooth and perfect. When it comes to blush and highlighter and bronzer, they're very minimal. They're kept very nice and subtle, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do as well. I got this new bronzer from Fenty Beauty and I'm loving it. So a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the cheeks right here. I'm going to also add some blush. And of course, setting spray to melt all of that powder and lock everything in place. I really like the lip combo. It's so natural. I don't know, it kind of looks like she's not wearing anything, but her lips look absolutely perfect. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lip contour lip pencil to line my lips, and I think that this color is very similar to the color of lip product she's wearing. And I'm also going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. And I'm also going to go ahead and fill in my lips with that lip pencil. And then on top, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. This one is again by Huda Beauty. And by the way, this is one of my all-time favorite lip glosses. It's more of like a lip balm, but I like that it's not super shiny. Guys, hold on. Who is she? Oh my god, I don't even look like myself. Let me remind you how we started. Started from potato, now we're here. I'm used to makeup completely changing my face, but this is different. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The journey was a little rough. But honestly, once everything is completed, it doesn't look that bad. I was expecting this to look a lot worse on me, but I'm starting to like it. My hair looks like a mess, that's because it is a mess. I cut it and I have no idea how to style it. I like how makeup gives me the powers to shape shift. I'm not sure if I can be trusted with that much power in my hands. I love it when you guys send me different makeup looks on Instagram. Please send me your suggestions on what I should try out next. You can send me more natural looks, or you can send me something a little more intense and dramatic. I love trying out everything. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I think you might like this one as well. I tried following a Korean makeup tutorial, or you can try out this one. Whatever YouTube is suggesting, it must be good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!